Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to our program Finance Talk with Niti on A1 TV. I hope आप सब better होंगे. And as always, I say thank you so much everyone for your support and for your feedback on this program. As you know, हम every Tuesday आते हैं 8:30 पे अपना प्रोग्राम लेके, जहाँ पे कि हम फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड आपसे बात करते हैं, फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड नॉलेज है वो शेयर करते हैं. एंड इफ किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन आता है ड्यूरिंग द वीक, और कोई कमेंट आता है या कोई फीडबैक आता है, आई डू रिप्लाई देम एज वेल. So thank you so much everyone for your support. Really really grateful. जैसे कि आपको पता है, एवरी वीक हम नया टॉपिक लेके आते हैं, हम उस टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कशन करते हैं, हम उस टॉपिक के ऊपर आई ट्राई टू गिव यू द इनसाइट्स कि if someone is in that situation or in that process, then उस चीज को आप कैसे अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन या अपनी नॉलेज को एनहांस करके आप उसको कैसे डील कर सकते हैं. लास्ट वीक हमने बात करी थी रीफाइनेंसिंग के प्रोसेस की. क्यों रीफाइनेंस कराना चाहिए, क्या रीजंस होते हैं, क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. तो हमारा हमेशा रिकॉर्डेड जो एपिसोड रहता है वो A1 टीवी के एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल के ऊपर हमेशा रहता है. तो जब भी you are not getting any information elsewhere, this is the resource that you should tap on. And we try to cover a lot of topics, specifically finance related topics in our program. जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, please be mindful, this is not an advice at all, this is not a personal advice. जो भी हम बात करते हैं वो एक जनरल सिनेरियो को लेके करते हैं. सो जनरल एडवाइस होती है या जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, नॉलेज होती है जो हम शेयर करते हैं. नथिंग टू डू विद योर पर्सनल सर्कमस्टांसिस. और अगर किसी को भी अपने पर्सनल सर्कमस्टांसिस से रिलेटेड बात करनी है, you can contact me directly on my Facebook Messenger, or my number is just there, और A1 TV Entertainment के inbox में आप कर सकते हैं, या हमारी वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट कर सकते हैं. And I'll try to get back to you with your answers, with your inquiries. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक. हमारा जो आज का टॉपिक है बेसिकली it's about the professionals that you need when you are actually into the home loan buying process, basically home buying process, I must say. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे टाइम होते हैं when specifically जो हमारे फर्स्ट होम बायर्स हैं आउट देयर, they are sitting on edge. And वो मेरे पास आते हैं, वो बोलते हैं it's very confusing, we don't know where to start the process, और कौन से स्टेज के ऊपर, प्रोसेस के कौन से स्टेज के ऊपर कौन सा प्रोफेशनल वी शुड एक्चुअली engage, and what time we should engage, and what are their roles. And the journey could be quite daunting and quite time consuming as well. And if you both are working full time or you are running your business, it is not practically possible for you कि आप हर रिसर्च को अपने अपने आप से कर सकें. या कई बार आपको पता नहीं होता कि and you always have like second thoughts. It could be expensive as well, it could be it could ask for a lot of money investment sometimes, and whether this investment is worth taking the risk or no, that is another story. तो बहुत सारी चीजें इन्वॉल्व होती है, बट इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप समझें कि कौन सा प्रोफेशनल आपको क्या इंफॉर्मेशन या क्या रिसोर्सेज दे सकता है थ्रू आउट द होम लोन बाइंग प्रोसेस. सो इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो ये हम आज के टॉपिक में अपने में कवर करेंगे, जिसमें कि होपफुली आई ट्राई टू कवर अ लॉट ऑफ different professionals duties and what can they bring on the table when you are starting your journey. And as I always say, if you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to contact me directly. More than happy to assist you guys. So let's start the topic. So basically सबसे पहले जब हम होम बाइंग जर्नी की बात करते हैं, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, जब तक कि आपको अपनी अफोर्डेबिलिटी का पता नहीं है, जब तक आपको आपके नंबर्स का पता नहीं है, it's not a great idea to start start looking for the properties and sign the properties. Or some people, they literally go and they buy in an auction as well, even without they have done their finance homework. अगर आपको अपनी अफोर्डेबिलिटी, अपनी करंट फाइनेंशियल सर्कमस्टांसिस के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं पता होता है, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, हमारे बहुत अजम्पशंस होते हैं, स्पेसिफिकली हम जो माइग्रेटेड कम्युनिटी है, हमारे अजम्पशंस होते हैं व्हेन इट इज द राइट टाइम आई ब्रिंग फंड्स फ्रॉम ओवरसीज, या विल सेल द प्रॉपर्टीज ओवरसीज, एंड देन विल गेट दोज डिपॉजिट असिस्टेड एक्सपीरियंस एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, लेकिन टाइमलाइन वाइज हमको देखना होता है कि इज इट इवन वर्किंग और नॉट वर्किंग. सो सबसे पहले बीइंग प्रैक्टिकल, आप अभी की सिचुएशन आपको देखनी बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अभी आपके हैंड में क्या है. if what is your current employment, what is your current income, what is your current circumstance. और अगर आपको कोई आपका कोई रनिंग कार लोन है या पर्सनल लोन है, इज इट गोइंग टू इफेक्ट योर बोरिंग कैपेसिटी, इज इट गोइंग टू इफेक्ट योर केपेबिलिटी ऑफ सेविंग फॉर दैट रिक्वायर्ड डिपॉजिट. या आप किसी गवर्नमेंट स्कीम के अंदर डू यू फिट देयर और नो. सो इट्स रियली रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप यू मेक दैट अपॉइंटमेंट विद योर फाइनेंस एक्सपर्ट और विद योर बैंकर. एंड आप सबसे पहले अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन देखें. द एलिजिबिलिटी चेक शुड बी देयर फर्स्ट before anything you're doing. When you have got that thought कि let's start the home buying process, it's really important कि आप सबसे पहले ये देखें कि आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है borrowing funds wise. If you're buying cash, that's a different story. You don't have to think about it because cash जितना आपके hand में होगा, आपको पता है कि if I do have 500,000 in my savings, you can buy 500,000. और जो कि अभी आजकल के टाइम में it's not very practical and not possible. So it's really important when you are sitting down with your finance expert, you understand your affordability, you understand your budgets. उनके साथ बैठ के आप figure out करें कि आपको क्या deposit चाहिए, और वो जो आपको estimated purchase price बता रहे हैं कि ये estimated हमारा purchase price होना चाहिए, उसके accordingly you should move further. And you should not be kind of driven by your emotions at this stage. You driven by the actual numbers or actual situation जो आपके फाइनेंस ब्रोकर ने या आपके एक्सपर्ट ने आपको दी है. So first step always should be finance check, right? Health check, financial health check. There are so many names to start this process, but in a simple layman language, sort your funds, right? As I said, it's really important to have that sort of structure first. ठीक है, लेट्स अज्यूम कि हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप कवर कर लिया. लेट्स अज्यूम आपको अपने बजट का पता चल गया. अभी देन द नेक्स्ट प्रोफेशनल दैट यू वुड नीड इज ईदर अ बायर्स एजेंट और अ रियल एस्टेट एजेंट, राइट? अगर आप एस्टैब्लिश प्रॉपर्टी देखने जा रहे हैं, then real estate agents and buyers agents can be helpful. अगर हम बोले कि what is the difference, again this is for people who are pretty new in the Australian property market and उनको बेसिक ही नहीं पता, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस नहीं पता है. this layman sort of definition is for those people. So basically real estate agent, they help you in finding the right type of properties according to your budget. And जो buyers agent होते हैं, they are kind of your, as the name suggests, buyers agent. They also sit down with you, they work out your strategies, what exactly you want to work moving forward with the properties, and what are your financial goals moving forward, long term and short term. वो accordingly they help you in finding the right time properties. They negotiate the prices on your behalf. Yes, there is a minimum fees that you pay to the buyers agent. It could be different to buyers agent versus buyer agent, or area versus area. But if you think that you are time poor, you don't know the proper strategies, then you should always lean on to your real estate agent or buyer's agent. They are those professionals who can actually hold your hand, and they can probably find you the right type of properties. But also it is again going back to my point number one, the first question they're going to ask you, what is your budget, right? So if you have not had that appointment with your finance person before, you have not worked out your budget, the entire conversation with your real estate agent or buyer's agents can go wrong, क्योंकि आपको अपना budget ही नहीं पता है. They might start showing you the properties which are like worth of $1 million, for example, but you cannot afford 500,000 property even. Then the entire process is again waste of time, right? Waste of time, waste of resources, sometimes waste of those relationships as well that you can build with these professionals. So it's really important you get your budget right first. Then after the let's just assume that you've got your finances sorted, you found the right type of property, now you are at the contract signing stage. So at this stage you would need a really experienced solicitor or conveyancer who will actually be your legal representative to settle on that property. Because here in Australia you cannot be your own legal representative, you need a legal rep who will help you in settlement, and they review your contracts as well. So it's really, really highly recommendable, and super important that you review your contracts before you are signing the contracts, because it's a legal contract. You are signing it, you will be legally bind by that that particular contract. So you know, it's important that you understand your rights, your obligations. बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि मेरे पास clients होते हैं, उन्होंने sign कर लिया होता है, and now they don't understand, you know, if they are not settling on the property, there will be penalties, there will be fees and charges, you know, and even sometimes, you know, vendors or the land developers, or you know, or the builders, or the other real estate parties, they can also, you know, make them liable for those legal financial costs, right? So it's really important कि आप you know, before you're signing any contract, you again, you know, review it with your conveyancer, get them everything written in the email as well for your own records. Because sometimes क्या होता है कि over the phone or even on face to face, you know, you're going through a lot of process at the same time, you may miss some points, but if you have got it in written, it is always beneficial कि आप किसी भी point पे जाके वापस जाके उसको reference check उसका कर सकते हैं. It will be really, really, you know, helpful at a later stage. Once you have signed the contract, of course, you're going back to your finance expert again. They'll help you in lodging the application, sorting out your approvals, and getting you ready for to settle on the land or the established property. If you know, at this point of time, you have not bought an established property, you may look for the land and the building site, जहाँ पे लोग, you know, land लेते हैं फिर उसके ऊपर build करते हैं. Then you would need a land sales agent as well, or the builder's representative, the sales consultants who can help you in, you know, building that property and mapping those, you know, plans with you. So before that, that might also be a possibility depending on what type of property are you buying. The other thing which is quite important is the valuers, specifically for those जो अपनी building खुद करते हैं, you know, the land they settle on and then they start building on that land. उस केस में जो external valuers होते हैं, they are really, really important, critical, because वो external जो valuers होते हैं, they are not from any party, they are not related to banks, they are not related to, you know, the sellers, they are your appointed external valuers. Of course it will attract you some sort of, you know, cost, लेकिन उससे क्या होता है कि आपको at least, you know, आपको अपना peace of mind मिलता रहता है कि, you know, as per the industry standards, your property is getting built, and there are very minimum risks. So it's really highly recommendable, as I said. The in the established properties के scenario में, building and pest control inspectors are super important before you are signing the legal contracts. पहले आप उसको building and pest control कराएं, because structurally you don't know, as a layman's eyes, you are just looking at the property might look good, but it's super important that you get it you know, inspected by a proper appointed, you know, builders and pest controller. Because अगर कुछ internal structure में कोई problem है, या you know, कोई pest से related कोई problem है, that will be highlighted at the, you know, at the time of the signing of the contract. And if there are major, you know, problems with the building and the structure, then and if there is any cost involved with that, because in some cases the cost can be really, really, you know, immense, heavy, that could be passed on you when you are buying the property. So it's really, really important कि आप building and pest control starting में कराएं. The other important parties are the insurers, because when you are getting into, you know, 30 years debt, or when you are kind of, you know, even you know, you're thinking that we'll make the additional repayments, will pay off the debt quite soon, but still you are going into the debt. Now you're also buying an asset, which is your home. Imagine, you know, when we are buying our cars, we are not allowed to take our cars on the road straight away without any insurance getting done, right? So imagine now you have got a really big investment of your life. How can you actually live on that without any insurance? So, but it's really important. This could be again very complicated, very time consuming. So it's really important that you have got the right experts next to you, The insurance brokers, they can help you out in sorting out, your asset insurance, which is building in, contents insurance, your in life insurance, your financial planning, that they can work with your financial planner who can work out your wealth strategies. Those are the another really important parties when you are looking to invest into your dream home. So again, you don't have to do it alone. You just have to lean on the right people, right experts. But when you are doing it, like the entire, join the dots will start joining, and the process becomes really seamless. बहुत इजी हो जाता है फिर प्रॉपर प्रोसेस अगर आप उसको सही तरीके से करते हो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप करते हो. बट इफ यू आर लेट्स जस्ट से साइनिंग द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फर्स्ट बिफोर लुकिंग एट योर numbers, then not getting it reviewed by the conveyancer, it's gonna be really messy, and then there will be many steps in the entire process जहाँ पे आप बहुत nervous हो जाओगे. And I always say to people, they come to me and they said, we don't think so our loan is going to be approved. But why? Didn't you do your due diligence before you sign the contracts? Didn't you do your numbers before you signing the contracts? So there are so many aspects of it, but try to do it in the right way, right? The last could be the movers. So when if you're renting or if you are probably upgrading the property from one property to another property, you would need the proper professional movers as well, because of course the contents are expensive, the higher cost of living around. So it's really important that you hire a professional movers to move up your assets, because then the contents are going to cost you as well. So that cost you always have to kind of accommodate in your entire home loan process. But they are also very important parties to your process, right? So today's that's why I was just kind of looking to simplify the process so that आपको पता हो कि this profession does this is their responsibility, this is their duties, and this is how they can actually provide that sort of benefit to our journey. Journey could be long, journey could be quite daunting, and there will be many moments where you will find it very nervous moments as well. But as I always say, do it in a right way, try to follow the process, uh, draft your process map with your finance expert to start with, and build that trust, and build that sort of understanding before you're thinking to move into the next level. So it's really important to get that knowledge. And as I always say, we are here to help you, we are here to support you, our own communities. And if there are so many resources available in our community, then there should not be any hesitation, there should not be any judgments. We are here to support our community, and A1 TV Entertainment and GB Financial is always very committed to add value to our community's home buying journey. So feel free to leave your comments, feel free to message me directly or call me directly, or you can also message me on Messenger via 0430172193. I'm more than happy to help you all, and can't wait to hear about your journeys. And this is my role, just to make your journey really smooth and seamless. And yeah, you can call me anytime, and I will be back next week with the new topic, about the home loan process, about your finances. So yeah, stay tuned for next episode of Finance Talk with Niti on A1 TV Entertainment. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your time today, for listening and for supporting. Please keep up your support. Thank you. Bye for now.